Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my own gel nails at home. As you can see, this is the new set, a new shape. Actually, I did extensions with a very springish color, I would say. And so yeah guys, if you want to see how I do my own gel nails at home every single month, let's move on. So this is how my nails looks currently. Obviously it's time to fix them. So all you will need is a sterile alcohol spray or wipes, a finishing wipe, UV, a sculpting gel, only if you want to do extensions, a primer or pH bond, which is like a dehydrator. Then you also need a gel top coat sealer, gelish color of your choice, cuticle oil, and some extension stickers if you are planning to do extensions, any different nail files, and cuticle pusher, of course, a nail buffer, and also some gel brush or brushes, whatever you feel comfortable with, and then also some duster brush, a cuticle clipper, and of course the most important, the UV LED light machine, I don't know, nail dryer, yeah. Taking the cuticle pusher, and I'm just kind of pushing the cuticle skin away from my natural nail, just so it's easier for me to kind of file off the gel that is on my nail. And by taking this nail file, which is like 180 to 240, like different sides of strength, with the stronger side I'm just filing off the gel. So I'm just gonna file off all my nails. I do have under the gel polish like a little bit sculpting gel. I'm gonna just leave that on, like I'm not gonna file off totally all the gel from my nails, just the color. And this is how it looks when I file off all the gel. Just gonna continue to file off the gel polish from all my nails. Just want to give you guys a disclaimer that I'm not a professional, okay? I'm not a professional. I don't do things maybe by dictionary, but this is just the way I learned to do the nails, the gel nails, and it works for me. So yeah. And this is how my nails looks when I just filed off all the gel. A lot of dust, you can see a lot of dust there. Now I will take the sterile alcohol spray, and actually you should use a lint-free wipes, but I actually finished them, so I'm just using a folded tissue, and I'm just gonna spray each nail with this alcohol spray and cleanse it and kind of sterilize my nails so there's no dust, no dirt, nothing. And then I'm gonna take the cuticle trimmer, just trim the cuticle skin. I gotta say that this is the part that I hate the most, because I do sometimes cut myself, or I just cannot take that cuticle skin, cannot find it there, because it is very small and thin skin. But I do find it that it does look better when you apply the gel nails and you do cut the cuticle skin, because I used to didn't do this part, I just leave the cuticle skin, but I noticed the difference that this is actually better. So it's personal preference. And I'm gonna apply the primer slash dehydrator, and to those who don't know, this goes a little bit a long way, so be very careful with this one. I did drop one time my small bottle, so now I have left a very little, so I am very careful with this bond. I'm gonna take the extension stickers. I'm gonna remove the middle part, and this is personal preference also, either you just break the middle part or no. For me, actually, I tried not to break it later, and I find it much easier to kind of put it on my nail and keep it like straight, so there's like no holes between like the sticker and the nail, between like there. But anyways, this is how I'm just gonna do my extensions. I'm gonna do like this for all my nails, and then we'll see what's next. Then I'm taking the UV sculpting gel and I'm just gonna apply a very thin layer on only my natural nail, not the extension sticker. First we're gonna just apply a very thin layer on the natural nail. Once I apply to all my nails the gel, I'm just gonna cure it for about 1.5 minutes in the UV LED lights. Oh, my hand from this angle looks super unflattering. Super unflattering. Very fat. I'm just gonna take a thicker layer of gel and kind of build up the length that I am kind of wishing for. And the key is actually, at least for me, I'm not a professional, but for me the key is to cover up the natural nail and the gel part so there's no kind of bumps and everything goes even and straight. You just really have to look from all the sides and look at the nail how it could look once you like cure it in the UV light. But once it comes to the shape also, I don't pay much attention because anyway we're gonna file everything off that we don't like. And now I'm just gonna put the last gel layer, and right now I'm just gonna put it all over my natural nail and the gel extension part, just so everything is nice and smooth. There's no like uneven bumps. Even though we're gonna file it, we just need everything super straight and everything should be nice. Then we're gonna cure it for another 2 minutes in the UV LED lights, and we're gonna take it out and see what's cooking good looking. And then after curing it 2 minutes in UV LED light, we're just gonna remove the sticker, and as you can see we have a beautiful gel nail extension. The shape is just amazing, you know. Anyways, the nail is a bit sticky, so we're gonna take the finishing wipe and just remove the sticky layer from our extension nail, gel nail. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna finish the rest of my nails off camera, otherwise this video is gonna take literally forever. After I did all my nails, I just remove again the stickers, and this is how they look. I'm just gonna remove again the sticky layer, and with again a file, I'm just starting to file off the nails. So first I always start with the sides, kind of I make the sides straight and I just file off the top. As you can see, this is how it looks, and then I just go for the front. I just cut it like this. So today, as you can see, I decided to do like ballerina shape style of nails. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to file off all my nails at the same style. It's a bit takes time, so also I'm gonna fast forward on this one. So this is the finished look, how it looks when I file all my nails. And now I'm just gonna dust away all the dust, and I'm gonna sterilize and cleanse with that alcohol spray again, and cleanse the nails. And here I just wanted to show you guys how it looks before and after, kind of. And yeah, now we're gonna just prime our nails again before the gel polish. So I'm priming each nail again, very thin layer, taking the gel polish color I choose and apply a very thin layer by layer. You have to apply the color. So I'm gonna put in the UV lights again for 2 minutes, and then I apply another layer, and like this I'm doing until I'm very satisfied with the color payoff. And yeah, so this guy is how it looks when I apply 3 layers of the color gel. And then I'm gonna take the top coat sealer and again apply a very thin layer, but that's the top coat last layer, so make sure that it's not so thin that it starts to make lines. Just apply a normal layer but not too thick also. And then we're gonna cure it for another 2 minutes. Also kind of try to cover up the ends of the nail like this, so there's no like those, like sometimes after 1 week the nail can start to like open from the sides, so you don't want that to happen. So make sure you close all the sides of the nail with the sealer. After 2 minutes curing them in the UV lights, I'm taking again the finishing wipe and wiping off the last sticky layer. So yeah guys, this is how the nails looks like. I'm gonna just finish it with some cuticle oil just to nourish the skin, the nails, and also so there's no dry cuticle skin. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Didn't do one for a really long time, and yeah, hopefully this was really helpful for somebody, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.